Hi everyone, this time I'm going to tell you how to recycle some old cardboards and make a nice frames like this one. This is all made out of old cardboards, and you can see near it you can put nice picture of yours and use it. So the way you have to do is you need to find some old cardboard. So I found some old cardboards of mine, and like this way, boxes, water boxes and normal boxes, I cut those and I use a tile to make. I need a perfect square, so I use the tile, kept on the cardboard, trace around it and cut it. I use the knife and cut, and you need two of same way cardboard. You can see two pieces you need, and you need a something like a heart or circle to make the middle part of the shape. You can see there is a heart shape inside here, so you can use a circle shape or heart shape. So I like the heart shape, so I kept the heart. I draw the heart like this way and trace around it with the pencil. You can see, so I have the pencil line. Later onwards I will cut it. I will use my knife like this way, and watch carefully. If you don't know it, you just use the knife very nicely, because it's very sharpened, and you know these knives are very harmful. So make sure you use it slowly and cut around it. And trust me, don't throw the middle heart that you will cut, because you can recycle that for something else again. And this is much more fun than you buying a frame. You know, it's homemade, and it's much giving more love to yourself when you do something like that with. So I will cut it now. Once you cut this heart, you can separate it like that, remove it, and you need like this way 1 centimeter and the same height like this way size. 3 pieces you will need. It's because you're going to stick these 3 pieces, one here, not in the one that you cut the heart, not this piece, the back piece. You will use that piece to stick like this way, these 4 pieces, 3 pieces, sorry, this one. You just apply glue and stick it, and top of this one you are going to stick this one. Once the heart will be removed, you have to remove this heart, and then you have to stick it. So this video going to be like 3 different sections, because we need to first do the cardboards together. Thank you.